Alright, today we are gonna build death.
Penis sharpener, bro.
Penis sharpener. Look at this. This is gold. LG MH1 cells.
This is mine.
We have to sharpen the battery.
You put them in here when you're done.
It works.
God damn, this is brand new. You wanna know something funny? When I ripped the nickel strip off this part on some cells, it shorted right here, by the way.
Oh man.
Guys, this is the most entertaining part of the video, by the way. This is gonna take a while.
Okay, so all the cells are ready.
Where are the cells?
In there. Oh, okay, and we have cell holders 3D printed. We have a couple of more ready.
Oh my god, bro.
I don't know. Cell holders. This is tough. Let's make the layout. So it's gonna be a 3S 7P. 7.
Give me the forfeit.
Take the forfeit.
Let me try this.
We're building battery. For now we are doing one layer. Or we could try 2 layers because it's 0.1 millimeter nickel strip. It's kinda thin. Okay, give me the cells, putting them in the holders. So we're doing the P's horizontally. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the positive side like this.
Kinda works.
Would you care to mention where these cells are from?
Yes, these cells come from Lime scooter battery packs.
Oh, that's tough.
I rescued them.
We didn't steal them.
I think I might have found the settings, hopefully.
We have 2 extra cells.
Let's
Oh
start.
damn, bro, this battery pack finna be massive.
Bro, let me see. Damn, it's kinda nice. Bro, this is so small.
Bro, it's a 3S 7P. Give me the, hold on, give me some strips. Let me see the proper.
Crispy strips.
Bro, what?
Bro, what do you do?
Bro, what is going on?
No.
Okay, anyway.
Bro, we need
Oh,
the
this is
strips.
perfect. It fits perfectly, bro. So we are leaving a little tab for the balance wires. Let me check how the BMS is wired. Okay,
me.
so the first wire will go to the first positive. So this one. This looks about enough.
Why is it unsticking?
100-watt charger.
Bro, this looks so professional.
Yes, this is professional. Oh, we are so gonna blow up today. Let's weld the pack. We're gonna do it like this on each one layer. Then we're gonna connect them with small strips. And then we're gonna do another layer on top. We need power. Okay, do another weld. Next.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay.
Okay, that was sparky. Pull on it hard.
5 more. Okay, so the first row,
It's complete.
should we leave on each one a tab?
You can cut it after if you don't need.
Yeah.
If it blows up, it blows up.
It's not gonna blow up, bruh. Whoa, that was sparky.
This is fire.
It's gonna be fire, literally. Like, bro, if some battery professional gonna see us, he will slime us out.
Bro, this is so hot.
Nah, it's not that hot.
You know how the battery is connected to it?
How?
With bolts. The battery is bolted there.
You know it's strong when it's bolted. Okay, come on. Bro, did you check the voltage of each cell?
No, I didn't.
Oh no, this might be bad. 4.10, 4.09. Okay, one is overcharged, one is undercharged. So they cancel out. Oh, don't tell me these are the good ones. Should be fine, bro. Come on, let's continue.
It's gonna blow up now.
It's not gonna blow up, bro. Oh, damn.
Why does it do that?
One eternity later.
We are about to blow up. We are connecting a 16S with a 3S in series connected. Oh man. Okay. Okay. It booted. How much voltage do we have? Oh my days, bro. 80 volts, bro. 19S. God damn, bro. Listen to the wind. Okay. Bro, look at the setup. Give it some gas. Whoa. I got scared of the kitty. I don't think the BMS likes it.
Why does it turn on like that?
God damn. Bro, a storm is coming upon us. And look at the kitty. Make it blow up. Uh-oh. Kitty. Whoa, Kitty's scared. God damn. 45 field weakening is gonna blow, bro. 50 amps of field weakening, bro. 70 amps of motor current, gang. The controller can do 60 amps. Oh no, the G booster. Nah, you actually have to hold it, it's gonna fall off. Oh, we don't like that.
I don't think you like that.
Oh man, lightning and thunder is upon us. Oh, this is fun. Take it out, it's blowing up. Okay. It's raining. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my days, water is getting inside of the scooters. I bet my GoPro loves this low light footage. Okay, it's slightly wet. Slightly. Look what is going here. Tires and rims and box and laptop and bike and scooter and another scooter and another scooter and another scooter and bike wheels and...
Hold the damn flashlight.
Oh man, the box of doom, bro. This box is full of dead cells. Full to the brim. We ain't going nowhere, are we? Bombo clat! Woo! Well, this is fun. It's raining. I am fully wet. All this for a KFC meal. I have goggles and he doesn't. Yo, you know what would be kinda bad? If bro's scooter died. We've made it too far to give up, bro. It is a good idea. What, are you not enjoying this? Bro, the G2 Master is fully charged. I'm so lucky. Oh my... Cooking Airlines! Cooking boats! Well, if this doesn't prove the durability of the G2 Master, I don't know what does. Okay, the headlight turned off. The headlight doesn't work anymore. Okay, we just ate the KFC secret menu and it's straight air. Don't ever get this. Guess what? Now we don't have any lights. This wasn't worth it. You're freezing? How? But it's literally not that cold now. Well, who thought it's a good idea? It's literally just the regular filet bites and hot wings in sauce. And the sauce is trash. I'm not talking to the voices, I'm talking to my 3 viewers. No way. Exactly, bro, it's teamwork. I'm pulling you and you're generating light with the energy I spend pulling you. So efficient. Bro, we jump started the scooter. Oh man, bro, they put speed bumps on the street. We can't fly anymore.